Welcome guys, in this video I am with Yamaha TW-E3 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can perform hard reset. Okay, so first of all you have to be sure that they are turned off. When you click once on the button, as you can see it's not blinking, it's not activate. It means that our device is shut down. And to perform the hard reset we have to click and hold these two buttons until these indicators right here starts blinking on the pink for 5 seconds. So let's make it right now and take a look how it works. Click and hold. After a few seconds they will be turned on. They will move to the pairing mode, so they will blink like that. And when we still holding, they will be hard reset. As you can see, that's it. Keep holding. And right now we can release both buttons. They are turned off, and we simply restore the default settings. So yeah, that's how it looks in this device. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.